Hey everyone, Brian from WorkshopAddict.com, and we are going to bring you, with the help of Milwaukee Tools, some awesome holiday giveaways. Trust me, this is going to be absolutely amazing. We want to thank Milwaukee Tools for working with us on getting this out. We want to thank you for supporting us. It's going to be easy to get into this giveaway, but we have a few quick ground rules. These are going to be large tools that we're shipping, and I apologize due to rules and regulations and how all that stuff goes. We can only ship these to the United States. Sorry guys, that's how it's going to be. Second, I want everything in here to be cool, calm, and polite. This is a holiday giveaway, so when you get in and you do everything to get in, which is going to be really one thing, just make it nice. So first, what we're celebrating here is something we never thought could happen. I mean, this M18 12 amp hour heavy duty high output battery is awesome, and it's brought us a lot of different tools, and these tools are going to be part of our giveaway. So what we never thought really could come about with an 18 volt platform has, and I think that's awesome. So one of the first tools that we're going to give away is the M18 table saw. You guys are going to love this thing. It's going to come with a battery, and you're going to be all set. So we're going to give away one table saw. Second, the other tool that we really absolutely thought Milwaukee knocked it out of the park on is their M18 chainsaw. That too is going to come with a battery, and Merry Christmas. Third tool, yeah, 3 of these big guys, right? The Super Sawzall. That thing has been a monster and was an absolute just beast if you're looking for one Sawzall that will not quit. Yeah, 3 tools, all going to be given away in the next 2 weeks. We're going to have the drawing on this channel. We'll announce the winners. Obviously, you're going to have to get back with us like normal, but thank you to Milwaukee for putting in the effort to come out with this M18 battery. And thank you guys for the support. This is going to be great. Make sure you comment below with some sort of holiday message. Don't care, make it nice, say whatever you want, hashtag WorkshopAddict. You'll be in the drawing. We'll come through and draw. We'll draw first for one tool, and we'll just go down the line, and then you guys can email us back. Again, we thank you for all your support. We're having a blast on this side. We've got some cool projects coming up, some even cooler than what we really thought were going to happen, but we have some great opportunities. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, not only for the giveaway, but for some of the content that we have. We appreciate your time. Have a great day.